Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to solve this unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled problem. Now you need to know that this problem will only happen if you are using the cracked version of any Adobe program. So in this case, you'll have to uninstall the cracked one, then go and purchase the application from the website officially. So now to uninstall the program, you just have to go and click on the settings. Then after that, you should search for programs, then click on add or remove programs. And now you will have to choose the Adobe application that is cracked that you have been installed. After that, you should simply uninstall it by clicking on this option right here. And once you finish uninstalling the cracked or unofficial app, you should now go and search for Adobe on your browser and click on the first link right here. And now you are in the Adobe official website. You can simply get an offer like this one right here, 70% on Creative Cloud all apps. Just click on save now in order to purchase the product that you need with Adobe. After that, you should choose which subscription would you like, and here in this plan it will include all the Adobe applications plus 100 gigabyte for cloud saving. Once you choose the offer, click on continue, and after that you'll have to create an email or continue by using your Google account, and after that you'll have to enter your payment method and you are all done. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.